Hello guys, Kahi here, and today I'm going to, actually, if you see what we have here and the title of the YouTube, you might know it. Yep, you're correct. We're going to make a mobile joystick. So here I make a demo. I haven't shared it yet, but maybe I will later. Maybe after this YouTube because I need to make a demo. Yeah, you know. So there it is. So this is what I made. So this is the joystick and it's like that. Works nicely. Okay. So simply it just goes there and then after I release it'll just go back. It works nicely. Okay, so there it is. Today I'm going to teach you how to make it. So you can simply copy a code here or make it simple. You can choose, yeah. But now let's make it. Okay? So we need to create a new project. There, the project is made. So the one I did there is I'm controlling the turtle. This time we're gonna control the cat, okay? So we don't need to delete the cat as always. Like before I just say delete the cat, delete the cat. Here, this time we don't need it because we need to control the cat. But don't put any code yet. And let's make the joystick. So there are quite a lot. There are quite a lot examples about the mobile joystick, but let's have a look at it. So there it is. So the mobile joystick will choose one. Okay, so this is it. And the mobile joystick, it works nicely too. Yeah, it works nicely too. But let's have a look at their code, okay? This time, that joystick, this is the control, and then the joystick. Wow, so many code. And the costumes are simply like that. But this time, no. We're making the easy part. The easy part will make 3 different sprites, but it's easier. Okay, so let's get on to it. We'll make a circle for the joystick, the outline of the joystick. So push shift and then make a circle. So it'll really be a circle. There it is. Put it in the middle where the cross is and make it thicker. The line make it thicker, which is 10. There. Done. So we don't need a code for this sprite. You just put it to here. Yeah, nice space. Okay, so let's make the joystick, the real part where you control it. This one is the outline. So this time we need to fill it. So like my previous project I showed you, that one will make a gray circle, right? Oops, I'm sorry. Forgot to tell you, we don't need the outline. Same, push shift and make a smaller circle. Same, put it in the middle. Then there it is. So it's the sprite 2, which is the outline of the joystick is 160 and x 160 and y minus 120. Same here, we need to do the same thing. There, done. But that's just the decorations. No, which you just make it, right? There's no code yet. So, oh, I'm sorry. I said that we simply make 3 sprites for the joystick. Actually, it's 2 sprites, yeah. So there. First, of course, when flat clicked it, then go to here. Go to x 160 y minus 120. This one is the same. There. So when sprite clicked it, simply you put it to here, it'll go back. Simply when you put this to here and this to here, it'll go back. Yep, there it is. So, but we can't control that yet, right? We need to make the code. So, when sprite clicked it, go to here. Then, if else, if sensing touching mouse pointer and mouse down, put it there, then set track mode draggable, else set track mode not draggable. Let's see. So flat click and we can't move it yet. When I click down and touching it, oops, what's the matter? Oh yeah, you're correct. I think you already knew. We need to forever it. Okay, let's try again. So now my mouse is there and then I click on it and drag it. It works nicely, right? So after mouse down so I can drag it, and when I release, it'll just go back. So that's the code for the joystick. Of course not. It's just simple part of the joystick, yes. Okay? So let's test. Also test. So here we can drag it. What about here? We can't drag it, right? Yep. So it's working. Now we need to control the cat. So it's like that. Simply don't delete this code yet. Don't delete this code at all. I mean, so we need an if else and duplicate it. Oops. Oh, come on. I'm sorry. So there it is. Push the if then else and duplicate it. There. You have 4, right? And then duplicate one more time. And oops. Put that to separate it. And put it down there. Yep. Okay, so you know where to put it. Let's put it back out again. Now we'll go to we make the forever block so it's if yeah, we need the x position and the y position. So if the x position, simply we drag it. Simply we drag it like that. Then we need to make it sense the x position and the y position. And oops, I'm sorry, I don't really remember what's the x position and the y position. Let's make the backdrop of it. I'm sorry. Now there it is. Back to it, and it is. We need to put these two up. Okay, so up is y. Okay, y. And then y is minus 1 to 0. Then you need to say minus 115. Then let's test for a while because I don't really remember. I'm sorry. Let me have a look. Yeah, it works. But why is there a lag, you're gonna ask me? Because I say hold for 2 seconds. Okay. Okay? So it works. So I'm correct. Okay, so delete the hello, I just have test, I'm sorry. And then we duplicate these, but we will change it. Can you see it? I'll make it bigger, okay? So there. And this time it's not minus 115. It is minus 125. I think some of you will wonder why, but actually, well, if I want to show you that, well, it's going to be annoying. It's going to make the video so long. Okay, so this one, if you have make it, it's not minus 115 and minus 125, and it's y minus 120. I tested it before. Yep, you're correct. I also want to ask the same question, and now I can answer it. Because it will be this cat, it will simply move like that if we control it. Because it is too sensitive that you make it wrong, you just adjust it wrong, and then voila! There it is. The cat is too sensitive and it'll go sideways. Or simply the same. So, I tested it and there it is. I'll tell you, this works, okay? So, great. The Y position is like that, and we don't need to make the code yet. Let's finish it first. So same X position, which is here. I need to comment this first so I can remember, okay? Okay. So there. X position and the same I think you know. Yeah, you know that. It's not 160, and it's, yep, 155. Let me have a test again. You didn't copy. Okay. Whoops. Oh. I think there should be a problem. It is still too sensitive, I'm sorry. Maybe we need to make it a little bit more low. Minus 110 minus 130. I think that works for it. 150. Okay, let's have a look. Maybe because of the hello, but never mind. I think it works. Same here, duplicated. And this one, it is 170. Okay, so there. This is left, and this is right. There. And then we need to broadcast the messages. Make a new message which is called up. And this one called down. Don't put anything on the else block yet. Well, we won't be putting anything on the else block, so simply don't play with it. You don't need it. Okay, so this one is left. And last one, right. Done. So the cat. When flag clicked it, simply go to X0, Y0. Then there it is. And then when I receive up, then change Y by free, duplicate it, and this one is down, minus 3. This time it's an X. Oops, not set. It's change. Remember that. Left, it is minus 3. And duplicate it for the right, which is 3. So let's have a look. Oops, there's a little buggy. Haha. I don't really know that too, actually. So, change it. Let's see. Oh no. What's the matter with this one? I'm sorry, we might need to have a change. So, this one is like that. We'll change it. Nice and quickly. Okay, so the left right is correct. So we'll change it back to the correct one. There. Down. Down. Up is also done. Okay, so it is done. The joystick is done. So remember, if you like this video and also check out my other videos, remember to like them, subscribe, and check out my Scratch username, which is called Chan, which you can find it at scratch.me.edu/users/Chan. And remember to follow me. Thanks and goodbye. Yep, and also check out this, how to make Scratch apps in 3.0. Later, I'm gonna make a video about this. Remember to check on it and goodbye. Subscribe!